Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to learn how to add caption, simple caption to your YouTube video by this type of file, srt file. This cc.srt file I have created for my video. So let's edit it. We see some code here. So here it is a first caption. So first it's starting caption from 00 time to, this is for hours, this is for minutes and seconds and milliseconds. So my video is 3 minutes and more than longer, so I take first caption is 0 to 3 minute, and the text displaying for this is please subscribe. So I not create anything else, but if you want, you can create another caption like this. Second, and from 3 minutes 1 second to 6 minutes. Okay, so it will display after 3 minutes and 1 second this line. So here you can write like and comment. Okay, and so and save. And how to add this to your YouTube channel? Go to your YouTube channel, YouTube Studio, and to your video. If you have already added video, I have already added. If you not add, then your uploaded video, this at the position where I show you. I take a video is more than 3 minutes longer. More settings, subtitles. Here select content never arrived on television US, and here it has an option for subtitles. I have already applied. So I'm going to subtitle setting, but you don't have to go to this setting. Video language community. There is simple option for upload subtitle. Here I have already uploaded. Here, so you have to just click and select that file. I have option here, replace with time limit. This. Okay, so it's replaced. Now what we have created, we see in a demo of this video. We have added here or here it. Whatever, I think this video I have added. After 3 minutes caption will change, subtitle will change. So turn on caption. Yes, this is showing please subscribe. After 3 minutes we have to see this. Yes, it's showing like and comment. Okay.